Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, reading to for Libra, take only what resonates. General love reading. Kung hindi ka makarelate, makaresonate, okay lang yun ha. May mga next readings pa tayo. Normal yun. Kasi hindi naman to personal reading. Pero kung gusto mo, pwede kang magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo lang siya sa Facebook. And yan. Please do follow me on TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Diyan ako magla-live at saka sa Madam P Vlog. So, sana maabutan mo ko ng live kasi sumasagot ako ng mga personal question doon. Okay? And kung gusto mo magpa-palm reading sa akin, nagbibigay ako ng palm reading if you would avail yung dun sa aking TikTok shop. Meron akong particular bracelet na binibenta doon. Crystal bracelet. Pampaswerte din siya. So, feel free to check it out. Okay, so punta ka na lang sa TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Okay, let's start. Libra. You do have here the Six of Wands. Clarify the Six of Wands, please, for guys, angel guides. The Chariot is here. Bottom of the deck is the Lovers. Major Arcana to, oh. The Chariot, the Lovers, and the Moon. Okay. Actually, bago ko simulan, kukunin ko na rin yung energy ng person mo. I will be using this card. Pagpasensyahan mo na, medyo luma. So, yan. Luma tong card na to, pero this is currently my favorite. Kasi yung aking unang favorite na card ay nag-give up na. Sobrang luma na niya, hindi na siya kayang i-shuffle. So, this is my second favorite card. Sorry pala sa butike. Anyway, for our Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Yung iba sa inyo, this could be your side ha. Itong left side. Ito yung sa person mo eh. Pero pwedeng ito yung side ng pwedeng yun yung side mo. Take only what resonates. What is the connection all about? What is the connection all about, please, for Libra? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra, please. Stay optimistic about your love life. Oh my God. Engagement is here at the bottom of the deck. Ayusin ko lang, guys. Okay. So, yung isang card na lumabas is the reconciliation. So, for what I can see here, pwedeng currently, ngayon, may reconciliation na nangyayari sa inyo nitong person nito. And actually, both of you ay positibo lang yung pag-iisip regarding dito sa reconciliation nito. I can see victory here with the Six of Wands sa'yo. I feel like for now, nakikita natin marami ang pinag-uusapan ka eh. Marami ang nakatingin sa'yo ngayon. Like, they see you as matunog ang pangalan mo ngayon. Pinag-uusapan, na itatanong ka sa mga kamag-anak mo, and I feel like these people, ano lang sila, parang curious lang sila. Some kind of curiosity sa mga nakikita or nabalitaan nila sa'yo. With the Chariot, I can see fast movement here. So, pwedeng may mga mabibilisang nangyayari sa'yo nitong mga nakaraan. And I feel like it's a positive change. Yung iba sa inyo, some kind of change. Pero some change siya na positibo, papuntang positive. You do have here the Lovers and the Moon and the Ten of Wands. I feel like for now, pagdating dito sa person na ito, this could be the person na pwedeng may matindi ang emotions na nararamdaman mo. There's mutual energy between the two of you. And this could be yung iba twin flame soulmate energy na kukuha natin. Yung iba nanonood, parang hindi ka naman Libra pa. You could be a cross watcher or meron kang Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. And this could be a reading. Ten of Wands is here, so napakainit. The Ten of Wands is a fire sign, you know? And napakainit ng nararamdaman nating energy between you and this soulmate. Lalo na may reconciliation na nangyayari sa inyo nitong person na ito. Nakikita natin na nagiging positive lang kayong pareho, wherein yung person mo is currently may mga balitang hindi maganda na nakakarating sa kanya, or may nangyayaring hindi maganda sa person mo ngayon. There's a lot of stressful energy, nakakapagod ng energy. I don't know if your person is fanatic ba siya ng, anong tawag dito? Paso, or maybe some kind of bowl na kainan or ceramic na na plato. Mahilig ba siya sa mga plato or kainan, or meron siyang, I can see a particular bowl, like a Tibetan bowl. So maybe your person own one of this. So pwedeng meron din siya nito, or mahilig siya makinig ng ganyan, or yun nga, pwedeng yung mga nabanggit ko. And this is a very professional kind of person. Pwedeng nagwo-work sa government or an army, a teacher, or maybe just a businessman, businesswoman kind of energy. And pwede rin namang hindi. Pero itong person na ito is, although malungkot at hindi maganda yung kanyang energy ngayon, sobrang down, sobrang stress, anxiety, depression na nakukuha natin sa kanya, nakakita naman tayo ng growth with the 7 of Pentacles sa person na ito, and pwedeng financially. And pwedeng sa ngayon, hindi pa niya nakikita yung mga bunga nitong mga nangyayari sa kanya, but your person is staying optimistic. Kumbaga tinutuloy-tuloy niya pa rin yung person mo, maybe feeling niya nasasayang, or kung may mga investment siyang ginawa in the past, maybe iniisip niya na parang nasayang, parang lugi yata ako. Pero hindi, iniisip pa rin ng person mo, hindi, itutuloy ko pa rin. Can you see the woman here? It's like, he or she keeps on holding the cup na parang, nagpo-pour or nauubos pa rin yung tubig, na parang, and there's this little, shine. So, nakikitaan niya pa rin ng pag-asa, although feeling niya parang down, parang hindi yata nag-workout parang ang dami ko yata nasasayang na pera, ganito ganyan, and parang hindi niya pa nararamdaman yung benefits or yung mga nalalabas niya na finances. More on sa career niya ito and pwedeng nagdudulot ng sadness ito sa kanya, and I can see a lot of stressful energy and lungkot sa person mo, because yun nga, pwedeng nakakaranas siya ng depression currently, or kalungkutan currently dahil sa mga nangyayari sa buhay niya. Pwedeng may kinalaman yun sa family matter. So yun na nga, pwedeng sige lang, tuloy lang yung person na ito. This person is mautak siya magaling siyang tao. Could be a person na gusto niya laging nasa ayos ang lahat. And could be, alam mo, nakakaramdam ako ng Virgo energy. I can see someone here very perfectionist kind of energy. Pero okay lang kahit hindi. But, this is like a positive person, pero ngayon lang, apektado nga lang siya sa lungkot or sa nararamdaman niya, because may mga nangyayari ngang hindi maganda sa paligid niya. And maybe some kind of truth din ang nakakapagpalungkot dito sa person na ito. And I can see na sobrang nakakapagod para sa person mo. Pero nakikita natin, tinatry niyang mag-move on regarding dito. And nakakita nga tayo ng reconciliation. I feel like you're coming back to this person's energy. So, nakikita natin yung pagbalik mo dito sa person na ito. Hindi nga lang siya ganun. Some of you may mga mabilis na actions, pero hindi, more on mabagal yung nararamdaman natin Maybe may panggulat lang, may biglaan na pagbabalik for some of you. Yan, especially yung ating bottom of the deck is the engagement, and you do have your passion, a lot of love ang nararamdaman ninyo dito sa person na to, but ito nagpakita siya as reversal. Hindi ako nagbabasa ng reversal, pero nararamdaman ko yung energy ng reversal talaga. So, I will read it in reversal. So, for what I can see here, pwedeng there's a lot of passion, pero hindi siya na ipapakita, hindi siya na ipaparamdam. And there's this feeling na in the near future may sexual contact na mangyayari sa inyo ng person na ito. Huwag ka masyadong ma-excite, but I can feel a lot of passion, a lot of love, a lot of fire between the two of you. Kasi nandun talaga yung love, and this is true love, guys. And nakikita natin that might be you could be friends, or pwedeng may mga friends na involved sa inyo, or pwedeng both of you are friends. Yon, nakikita natin yan. And maganda yung reconciliation. Maybe hindi umayon sa inyo ng mga nakaraan yung path ng connection ninyo. Pero ngayon parang naka-align na siya, nakaayos na siya. Okay, let's move on. Ano yung mga nasa isipan and emotion mo towards this person, spirit guides, angel guys, for the sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra, nasa puso't isipan mo regarding your person. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Thank you, thank you, spirit guides, angel guides. You do have here the High Priestess. Yan. Oh, may spiritual connection talaga. The Emperor is here. That's two major arcanas right there. Knight of Wands. Yeah, there's a lot of passion. At nakakita ko ng actions mula sa'yo, ha. The Three of Wands is here at the bottom of the deck. Tapos kukunin ko na rin yan sa person mo, ha. Yan mga nasa isip ninyo at nasa isip at emotion ninyo na itong person na ito for Libra. Nasa isip at nakakamoy ako ng balloon. So, I don't know if you're currently naglalaro ng balloon or may balloon or something rubber sa malapit sa iyo ngayon. This could be a reading. Yan, goma. Nakakaamoy ako ng ganun. And, or maybe, there's a celebration coming wherein may mga balloons. Yan, nakakakuha tayo ng ganung energy. Tell me more. For the sign of Libra, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libras. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Cups. Okay. So, Ten of Swords is here. You do have your separation. Okay. So, one more card. Retreat. Okay. So, you do have your, this could be the one. So, alam mo, pwedeng nagkakaroon ng separation, reconciliation and separation at the same time. Alam mo yon, paano sasabihin? Pwedeng separation in a way na may pagkakalayo, pero may reconciliation kasi pwedeng yung pag-uusap or yung communication na balik. Pwedeng ganun. And sa nakikita natin dito, you do have your retreat. This is coming from your person's side na parang meron siyang bagay na parang gusto niyang alisan or matapos, some kind of problem dito. Sabi ko sa yung person mo is feeling a lot of pain right now. Sobrang nalulungkot, nasasaktan siya. I feel like with the Ten of Swords, this person sobrang nakaramdam ako ng nervous or anxiety, depression mula dito sa taong to because like maybe natatakot siya na may mag-end na something. For now, nakikita natin this person needs your help. Kailangan niya ng tulong mo. Like, maybe, tulungan mo man lang ako na makayanan ko ano man tong emotion na nararamdaman ko ngayon. But this person, ayaw niya na masyadong tumawag or makipag-connect sa'yo, communicate sa'yo. But this person needs your help. Sa emotion niya ngayon with the Nine of Cups, I feel like with the Nine of Cups, may nakikita pa ako ditong iba eh. I don't know if you're dealing with someone na biyuda or biyudo kind of energy. Kasi may ganong feeling. Yung parang may kinuha sa buhay niya na parang wala siyang choice kundi ibigay. And that could be the person na kakonect niya or yung karelasyon niya. And that is what is hurting your person right now. Pwedeng ganon. And with the Two of Wands, may mga plano tong person na to pero hindi niya alam kung paano guys, okay lang kahit wala ha. Kahit hindi biyuda or biyuda yung kakonect mo. It's okay. Pero nakikita natin ito with the Two of Wands, parang this person is waiting for you. Gano'n. Kasi parang tulungan mo naman ako na mabalik yung paa ko, parang gano'n, yung aking mga paa, yung aking pag-asa, yung just make me happy, help me, parang gano'n. This person needs your help. Of course, pwedeng, with the high priestess, you're taking your time. With the emperor, pwedeng hindi ka naman masyado nagpaparamdam ng, ng whatever, sa person na ito. Like, maybe may pa rin, may distance pa rin. But, with the Knight of Wands, there's a lot of love and passion coming from you. This person loves you with the Knight of Cups. Mahal ka niya. But, for now, apektado talaga siya sa mga nangyayari sa paligid sa kanya. And for what I can see here with the Three of Wands, you really miss this person. Ayan, no? Pareho kayo may Temperance card. This is Temperance. And then the person with also the Temperance card is here. Ayan, Temperance, nandito rin. Knight of Wands, nagpakita rin sa side ng person mo. So, both of you, gusto ninyong i-work out itong connection nito na although may separation dito, both of you are being optimistic sa connection na ito. Maybe because pareho ninyo nararamdaman that both of you are the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek, and maybe na-realize mo that this is the one you're looking for, and pwedeng na-realize ng person nito that you are the one I'm looking for din. Pero yung person mo actually is not looking for something. Pero parang kailangan niya lang ng tulong, ng pag-asa, ng help. This person needs you. Okay, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? The Star is here. Oh, wow. Eight of Swords. What's with the Eight of Swords? King of Pentacles. King of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. Oh, yung King of Swords na lumabas din siya as your person. Actually, this is like an additional message. Hindi ko siya kukunin pa sa ngayon. Kumbaga kukunin ko siya pero additional message. Mamaya ko babasahin. Hermit is here. Okay. In the near future for the sign of Libra, please. In the near future for the sign of Libra. For the sign of Libra. Hindi ko alam kung may nagbabasketball ba sa inyo. Or maybe merong mga bagong sapatos. Or maybe you like shoes. Particularly yung tumutunog pag kinuskus mo siya sa tiles. Okay. Honeymoon is here. So, napakaganda reconciliation between the two of you. Oh, yeah. Make the effort. Bottom of the deck, pay attention to the red flags. So, I feel like in the near future, may actions na kailangan kang gawin. Because, for what I can see here, puro major arcana sa side ng person mo. The Magician, the Justice card, and the Emperor. Yeah, these are all major arcana. Sa side mo naman, only the Eight of Swords ang hindi major arcana dito. Which is, etong connection na ito is kailangan talaga ng effort. Both of you needs to put an effort towards this. And, pareho. Yung person mo would keep on reaching out with the Five of Wands. Magre-reach out siya na magre-reach out. But of course, yun na, effort na ng person mo yun na magre-reach out siya. Nasa sa'yo yun, if you would keep on this energy of the Eight of Swords and Hermit in the future, tatahimik ka ba, magsasilent ka ba, or pipigilan mo ba yung sarili mo? Nasa sa'yo yan. If you want to reach the star, kung gusto mong maabot yung pangarap mo, which is this is the person that you want, this is the one for you, maybe kailangan mo siyang pansinin. Pay attention to the red flags. This is you, and it feels like this is your person. Can you see the energy here na parang may babae na parang umaagaw ng attention, but you are not doing anything. So, nasa sayo to. Nasa sayo to. Gusto mo ba ng um, makuha yung love that you really deserve? You deserve love. You are lovable. So, yung person mo, may mga actions siya, may mga honesty dito with the Justice card, Libra energy, na mangyayari mula dito sa person na ito. This person is going to tell you a lot of words or something na um, pwedeng para malaman niya if you still care or if you're still there, nandiyan ka pa ba. And nakikita natin yung honesty mula dito sa person nito. But all you have to do is to free yourself. Kailangan mo i-free yung sarili mo from this person kasi nakakakita tayo ng action sa kanya. Action siya kasi kailangan kanya eh. Kailangan kanya. This is the time that I need you. Yung ganun yung energy ng person mo. Kailangan kita ngayon. And then, for some of you, hindi ka, undecided ka with the Two of Pentacles for whatever reason, pero alam mo na mahal mo tong taong to with the Queen of Cups. You do know that you love this person and alam mo kailangan mong gawin. Kailangan mo, you have to make the effort. Kailangan mo rin mag-effort sa connection na ito kasi nakikita na natin yung effort mula sa person na ito. So, kailangan mo lang gantihan yung effort na ibinibigay niya. Especially, ito yung ating extra message dito. Six of Swords, King of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, you would try to move on. You would try to move on with the King of Pentacles energy and magta-try ka mag-focus sa iyong career, finances, and whatever. Pwedeng pag-iipon with the Four of Pentacles. This is your main focus. Alam naman natin yun na ito yung focus mo. Alam naman natin yun But your person needs help. And maybe, sabihin na natin hindi naman kasi lahat love lang ang gusto or whatever gusto. For what I can see here, pwedeng yung person mo is makatulong pa nga sa'yo to reach your goals. To reach your goals. Diba? And the more na lumalayo ka sa person mo, the more na hindi mo maabot yung goals mo because maybe itong person na ito talaga ang makakatulong sa'yo. Pero, of course, in the future, nakikita nga natin yung magandang connection sa inyo. There's this honeymoon. There's this honeymoon and holiday na maganda para sa inyo. There's a lot of happiness and napakainit na connection. It's like a spiritual connection na, alam mo yung spiritual connection ninyo, hindi naman yun as simple as kailangan may relasyon, kailangan nagsasabihan ng I love you. Hindi naman ganun yun. Yung maiparamdam mo man lang sa kanya yung pagmamahal mo by being there for him or for her. Hindi naman kailangan maging magkarelasyon agad kayo. Basta nandyan ka lang kasi kailangan ka niya. Okay na yun. Because this connection is more than 3D connection. More on spiritual yung connection mo with this person. Kung gusto mong maabot tong person na ito, ma-achieve or makuha itong pangarap nito, huwag mo i-disconnect ang sarili mo. You're thinking on disconnecting, retreating from this connection, pero hindi mo kailangan gawin yon kasi yung person mo is nandyan. Kailangan ka niya. Okay, so thank you for watching guys. I love you all and bye-bye.